away they go. And a pretty nice event beginning too. We've got Good Fortune Gems for the lead, rushing upon the outside is a check. And Ryan, the Fountainhead, is running in third, then in for the entry number 9, and that is a toy for us, then followed over by Umbrella Girl, alongside Bad Boy Miggy. My Wife Doesn't Know is in 7th, then comes La Dolce Vita, Emergency Call comes next, then followed over by Masaganang Ani, Jeguito, second last, then moving up on the outside is a Rhythm and Unica Champ is running at the tail of the field, and the fourth turn. Now we've got 3 runners, make that 2 runners now fighting it out for the lead. A Good Fortune Che and Ryan is racing on the outside, almost as one this time, but Che and Ryan now moving up to grab the lead by a length and a half. 3 and 50 to travel. Che and Ryan now the leader by about 2 lengths. Emergency Call now to take second. The Fountainhead is running by the left, then down the stretch they come, and it's still Che and Ryan by about 2 lengths. Bunch of horses are fighting it out for second, third, and fourth respectively. And finally, it's going to be the horse of Mr. Mark Ryan Ponce. That's Che and Ryan. Second, My Wife Doesn't Know.